Hello everyone, I'm Betty from QOHO. Today I want to introduce our dual lens car camera. This is 2 MB, just we said 1080p dual lens car camera. You can see just one body with two cameras. This is 165 degree. This is 110 degree. This is for front road view. This is for carrying, driver and passenger. So it's very enough. We just need, you can see, just need one cable to connect, and we will provide converter cable to make two channel to connect the mobile DVR. It will be working and divided 2 channel with one body. So it's very perfect. So what's more, this camera, it can store all different vehicle, taxi, bus, truck. As this is, we use the 3M sticker to stick it on the windscreen, and it can adjust the lens what you want. So it is very convenient to work. So it's all different vehicles, no problem, and it's very perfect design. I think we will like it. This one is very perfect design. So if you need this one, what's more important, I think it will save cost, just because it's one camera is one body. Yeah. If you need, please let me know. Thank you.